What a joy. We are in the middle of a drought and we have this amazing downpour of rain. I can't even show you properly on the video. It doesn't really show. It's just, I know it's such a simple thing to show rain, but there you are. But it's so exciting when you've been in a drought. So give us some heart for the rain, please. If I could give hearts for the rain, I certainly would. We're so excited, how do I know? Because we're in the middle of a drought, so we're so excited to have rain that I'm filming. It's not cold at all, it's warm. I'm in a sleeveless dress, I'll even show you. There you go. You can see it's not cold. Let's go back to the rain. Wow, it's all going down the path there. Very exciting. You can hear how noisy it is. This is so cool. Where are you all from and what's your weather like today? Hi everyone. This is Johannesburg, South Africa. We're just excited about the rain because the country is in the middle of a drought. South Africa's in a drought. Where's everybody from? Anybody else from Africa? The swimming pool is getting full. Everybody's still trying to do their work. What do you wish? Exciting rain. You can hear it, you can hear the thunder. So now I'm actually just here to chat and nobody's chatting. That's not my family, these are our work officers. That's everybody doing their work. Thanks for the hearts, much appreciated. A lovely swimming pool getting filled. Look at the water bouncing off the barbecue over there. And here's Magenta coming to see. Hi Magenta, come on, come here, come say hello. She wants to give Magenta some hearts. She's not interested in the rain. Seems to be slowing down a little. Way up in the sky. Pretty cool. Right. Rain in drought-stricken South Africa. Very, very exciting. Can you hear the thunder going crazy? I don't think I've ever filmed rain before, but just because of a relief of the very hot weather we've had and lack of water. It's a huge relief. We've actually had a bit of a water crisis in some parts of the nation. Thanks everyone for joining. Where are you all from? Where's everybody from? Nobody talking today. Welcome to the room, Johannesburg, South Africa. A lovely thunderstorm breaking, well hopefully breaking the drought we've had in the country. Oh, all those hearts, thank you so much, much appreciated. I come on to Periscope pretty frequently. Hi from India, welcome, lovely to have you in the broadcast, thank you for those hearts. I try and come on pretty regularly. I usually talk about social media or crazy things like that. But was just excited about the rain. Thanks for the little stickies, those are cute. Hi to Paris, Johanna, welcome, thank you. And I don't speak Portuguese unfortunately, but I have been to Brazil where I had to learn a little bit of Portuguese. Fresh rain, it is so exciting. We've had a drought, so it's really lovely to have this rain, which is the whole reason I'm filming. So, but now it seems to be calming down. Toronto, great to have you on the broadcast, welcome. Hi. Alright everybody, my name's Karen Peterson Lancaster and I'd love you to follow me on Periscope and I'll follow you back as well. So pretty cool, it's been really exciting for us. Love the little kitty cats. There's Jenny. Also excited about the rain?
Absolutely.
Oh, they're giving you hearts, Jen.
Thank you.
Yes, you must come and visit South Africa. Despite all you hear about it, it's still a very, very beautiful nation. Thank you for all those hearts, those are great. I wouldn't mind visiting France, I must say, but the exchange rate is so bad for us. For you, it's great. You come here, you'll get such a great exchange. But for me, to go over to Europe, it's just a killer. You hear the thunder? I don't live in Pretoria. I live in Johannesburg, which is about 50 km from Pretoria. I don't know what Zema means, but thank you. Alright everybody, really appreciate your time. Follow me so we can see each other again. There in Finland is so cold and snowy. I'd love to go to Finland. Hello Armenia, great to see you. And I'm going to say goodbye now. Turkey, hello. I'm going to say goodbye now, and hope to see you again in another broadcast in the next couple of days. Thanks everybody. Appreciate your time. I really do. Those hearts as well, they're fantastic. Yeah, catch you on Periscope. If you follow me, I'll definitely follow you back. London, hi, and bye. Toodaloo everybody.